Hello and welcome to day 2, area of regular polygons. And so in this video we are going to talk about some terminology. So you guys need to make sure you copy this down, at least the drawing over here and the labeling of the shape over here, because we need to make sure that we have these, and this is the terms that we're going to use in class. So please make sure that you are doing this. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is I'm going to kind of window shade this stuff so there isn't so much to look at to begin with. So we're going to start with the center of the polygon and the radius of the polygon. Okay, the center of the polygon is basically what you would call the direct center of the shape. Now, this is basically could be the center of a circle that would touch all the points, and that's why the polygon, the hexagon that's inside here, is drawn inside a circle. It most likely won't be drawn inside a circle when you see these in examples and in practice problems, but they're just trying to illustrate that the center of the polygon is also the center of a circle that would touch each vertex. So the center is point P in this case, and so that is very important for us, because now we could draw from point P a line that goes to each corner, each vertex of the polygon, and those are the radius of the circle, or the radius of the polygon and also the circle, because you can see they touch the circle and the polygon at the same point. So these red lines here are the radii of the polygon, which is also the radii of the circle. So from the center point of the circle, which is the center of the polygon, we get the radii. So make sure you get those down. And so then we go a little bit further and we talk about what we call the apothem. And the apothem is basically the height of the triangle that is made from inside these two radii. Okay, so we get this triangle that is made by the two radii of the hexagon, in this case, of the polygon. So we have the two radii, and the apothem is the height of that triangle. It is perpendicular to the side. It will always cut the side in half, so these two pieces are the same. And so that will help us, and we're going to use all of this information to help us find the area of the polygon. And so then the other thing that we need from this is the central angle. And the central angle is using this center point, and that's why central is in it. It's center, the center angle. And so from the center, if I draw an angle made up by the two radii, that would be the two red lines here. This right here, and I should probably do it in green because they're using green, is the central angle. And the central angle is found by taking 360 and dividing it by the number of sides. In this case, there are 6 sides, so to find the measure of this central angle, I'm going to take 360 and divide by 6, which means that my central angle is 60 degrees. And that's going to help us to find the area of the triangle, because we'll use the trig that we've learned in the past and things like that. So you need to pause this video, make sure you get all of this information down, because this is the terminology that we are going to use in class.